Decimal into fraction.
Hello everyone, I am your math tutor Justin Orcaos Dinyani. So come, listen and learn with me.
Hello everyone, now I will be teaching you on how to convert decimal into fractions. So we have the given here 0.5. So if the digit from the right side is 1, our denominator is 10. Again, if the digit of the right side is 5, our denominator is 10. So to get the numerator, we just move 1 here, so we got 5. And then we have the common factor 5. Simplify it with the common factor, so we have the common factor 5 here. So divide by 5, so 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 5 divided by 10 is 2. So our answer is 1 over 2. Next is 2.36. So if the digit of the right side is 2, our denominator is 100. Again, if the digit of the right side is 2, our denominator is 100. So now to get the numerator, let's move 2 digits here, 1 and 2. So we have 36. And then simplify, we have the common factor 4. So divide it both sides by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9. And 100 divided by 4 is 25. So our answer is 9 over 25. Next is 0.135. So if our digit at the right side is 3, our denominator is 1000. So to get the numerator, let's move 3 sides here and put the decimal point here. So we have 135. And then simplify. Let's find the common factor. So we have the common factor 5. Divide both sides by 5. So 135 divided by 5 is 27. And 5 divided by 1000 is 200. So our answer is 27 over 200.